Welcome to my channel Writing Mania. Let's start. World Nature Conservation Day. World Nature Conservation Day is commemorated annually on 28th July. But the main aim of celebrating it is to come together and support the nature. Don't exploit it. Conservation of nature is nothing but the wise management and utilization of natural resources. As we know that due to natural imbalance, the human race, along with other creatures, are facing several problems like global warming, various diseases, increased temperature, etc. Therefore, for the next generation, it is necessary to preserve it. Earth provides enough to satisfy every man's needs, but not every man's greed. Mahatma Gandhi. Subscribe the channel for more such videos. It is necessary to create a healthy environment to safeguard the present and future generations. There are several threats to nature like deforestation, illegal wildlife trade, using plastics, etc. Earth has provided all necessities to live like water, air, soil, minerals, trees, food, etc. So we should keep nature clean and sanitize. Industrial development and several other factors are also responsible for the degradation of nature. It is not mandatory that only the government and big companies conserve the environment. Everyone can do participation and conserve nature, which is a beautiful gift to us. Several ways are there by which we can conserve environment, like recycling the wastes, reducing consumption of water, non-conventional energy production, plantation, etc. Conservation of nature is very necessary. Even scientists have also warned us about the annihilation of the near future. Several documentaries about nature show that resources are being wasted. Due to global warming, temperature is increasing day by day. Storms and sea level is also increasing. Freshwater glaciers are melting, which threaten lives. Let us come together and make an effort to contribute to the local, national, or global levels in conserving nature. It will not benefit our present generations but also for future generations. Conservation is not merely a question of morality but a question of our own survival. Said by Dalai Lama. Thank you for watching the whole video and please subscribe my channel for such videos.